Hello, Brent Zimmerman here, Midlands Home Inspections, performing inspection out here in Omaha, Nebraska. Got a nice newer roof put on this house here. We've had some hailstorms the past few years, so nice new roof. Just want to point out a little section over here. They actually have the shingles over here going the wrong way. Kind of hard, might be kind of hard to tell. The shingles are laying down this way, so water's running down here. But if any water sets down in this little valley here, it'll end up working its way back up under those shingles. Those shingles should be going in this direction here. So definitely recommend a roofer to come back out here and get that corrected. It always has this little potential here for water leaking, and we definitely don't need that. Brent Zimmerman, Midlands Home Inspections, looking for you.